I swear I'm sure that my interest was say. Itali.
How much am I saying? Say.
Why
and I was supposed to be we were talking about something nice.
I want to realize me.
Wait,
DJ you to Taka Ari. Yeah, no,
no, say.
Ati don't pick. Guys, now let's say episodes of the Zikitoma, I think I say I wanna be serious and all that. Mara, the moment you don't pick up, what was the say or but then anyways, Konitanga is a kind episode, yeah. The Black Couch must have found in Alana Kovakaski, air Domanga walk of Katene for and Zanga or Ndimutuafi. Mara, for now, I will come out to your panda.
What's happening?
Fanava mi panda, the serious. And then there is in a year, Rodera Kota, Rufi, Rideri Kota, Garachico Shuta, Papi Rico.
Do the Lama of Ava.
Eh, the Lama of Aputurio.
Second person, eh? Thank you, SK.
Shout out to Wanji. Only short one.
Oh, Machila.
Oh, Only short one. We've been working the whole week.
Do you know what I'm thinking? I'm the second one. I just got to watch that episode. Yeah, Papi. Yeah, Papi. Yesterday, I finished it today. Until Papi was saying, "Oh, I didn't know what to me." I was like, "No, what to me." So I was like, "Nah." Meaning it was up to. I honor Nagashem. Coffee. SKA.
Yeah, thanks, Mr. SKA. What's Mr. White?
Mr. White?
What's Mr. White?
Nice.
Just that they had to go black here.
Because it's the black couch.
Yeah, thanks. No, so,
yeah.
There are quarter raves of Friday real and they're unfortunately before rather than the taste to Nico Robbie away and all that. But then, who don't wood afterwards? Rina Nakissani.
Nakissani.
No pan and go to me.
And champing.
Not only me, Samarati.
Oh, no, sweet. I think we're going to say. Oh, no.
Yeah, I don't know. I didn't free and never.
Okay.
Yeah. So, yeah, run it there upon Renani, Mara. There are people who don't know you. Also, I'm needing a student that way. You're needing a tambour, like in the mean, besides the business part. So, no,
yo, you're sitting with Nakissani. Nakissani Freedom Abogo. I love all my names. Nakissani has a unique meaning to it and also has another name on top of it which is unique also. And there's Freedom. Usually I use that name most in this service. Okay. This is your meaning. Are you free? Are you dumb?
No, but then you got to be freedom and the other cameras are Magura. Sorry for and then I told her what was my bendy Magura.
Yeah,
and then Mazino freedom
gay. Like I always fight for people who are outside wherever I am, because I'm sure if you just go that side and come back this side, the first why is my guy I can get not even that side. But as I was saying, I have freedom. I like freedom because I use it mostly. So okay, this is people don't guy pano and pana because Nakissani limuzin lalgo do ya. Nicha guy wo KZN anenge ni ko ya o KZN penenge maybe Guyana guy. So Nakissani mambo chela misasakani. So I I'm not freedom. Call me freedom. It's freedom. It's a genuine. It's a genuine name. Yeah. So I am someone who's from here. I stay in Tando, but I was not born in Tando. I was born in the Maya Blind. I'm a village boy. I came through to town when I was like 10. I was at Chukudini. From Chukudi, we didn't spend like 2 years, me and my moms and my dad. We were moving up. You know how it is when you're moving up. I think it was about 1990.
And then I was moving 19.
Yeah.
That's a baby already.
So well, I'm quite old, yeah. So we moved there to Kapa. Then we hustled, but I don't know how they hustled. We moved out of the village. There's a semi-village. We came through to what's called now Makwala Extension. Makwala Extension, but we stayed there. The town house. As a town house, those Zabond. We did that. We stayed there for a while. Now I went to Hill Mary. After Hill Mary Primary School, I also went to Sasa combined.
Didn't know Basasa.
Eh?
Didn't know Basasa.
Yeah, I went to Sasa, I went to Hillmill for my primary, I went to Progressive also. I went to Lycklee Flower also. That's one reason why I also know a lot of people, because I knew them from different parts of primaries, you know. Because my mom wasn't get that bad education for me. She wanted me to have that different type of education. If you happy with me, she'll take me there. Happy with me. If you know my I'm gonna go there. If you know my meaning, what I mean, I'm gonna go there. Oh. So I went there, and then high school. It's fine. I went to technical high.
I hope it's just one, eh?
It is one for now. I went to technical high. I went to technical. I did my grade, standard 8, standard 6, standard 6. Then I was changing up. I was grade in the grade 9. Stop it. Stop. I was on a sit 8. Yeah. And I sit A, grade 9, grade 10, grade 11, and I passed my grade 11 nicely. Then I grade 11, I was someone who used to sell stuff. I want to my child too much as a pin pop, like the first time.
What stuff?
Stuff like sweets. I was never into those drugs and stuff. I was such a genuine kid. I scale a nice dickies. I knew I know that's the demo. Clean. That's why I'm about to now I'm gone. I never played with Crampolina. I went now to dickies, and I still have my dickies from high school. And so then grade 11 I started selling stuff. I started selling sweets, but pin pop you had to push a blind. Because pin pop was something that you never get on a one that you stock a standard. Yeah, because pin pop was red. We used to see advert pin pop had DBZ got time. You, what is that? I mean sour pin pops. I sold those. Then next year it's grade 12, It's grade 12 now. Grade 12 when it's inter high, and it's inter high, I'm still trying to hustle up. I'm still diving in case, So I have another day one, base my leg na mina. To base my leg la. Sham da I go jina zabu. Go jina as 150, 150. I want to base juicy. Matsel out I go base juicy mamuna. And then there was one lady blind. Master like to go tamina. It was young on like juicy like guava. In a table. I know and 30. Ella out he mix a juice it. Yeah, she half. Kaila bote. Yeah, the half. We mean the other was blended. Half ya pela and go come in.
They were there to film in punch.
They were punch. La guava juice it.
You know my guava go give him so.
Oh, guava give us so. Ella out there was a young plug. Ella out some woman. Young plug. I go bad, but Nigeria didn't strong. That's what stock I mean. That's it. I was like, nah, fuck it, I talk about stock, I go there, So let me just say, what you do, you mix those things, you cook, then you put them in the deep. Same time, ultimately, leave freeze, and if you don't know what I mean, your freezer or economic comment, deep, because not only let us all don't cut us a local pizza. So let's talk about 20 little juice. I push you. Then I sold that juice to a wrong person.
Who's the wrong person?
Some girl, some tall girl, doesn't remember now. Nah. That girl was out there, but you know those it girls was out there. My tell them an Agita Sports Guild. And Agita Sports Guild and the number one sprinter guys guild. I go to do I get him. I'm not juicy if you.
Yeah, guava.
Hey, like juicy a gav. All I'm done with the fentanyl. No, as a guy. Wait, I want to ambulance. Poo. CPR. Moto no I mean.
No guava.
No guava.
As we find it, look at guava.
And as we find this, guava and guava. Now what you guava can be silent because I know can I want to cheat. All I'm done as well. Silver. And that's why we do. Tindi laptop the day of peace. It's laptop and sorted. It's chill and I'm giving that the other guy saying to me, I'm not to be saying, I would deal and a damp is another can be one at the other. Mondays, quest gear. Monday, class into a bit zero. Hey, also, no people know about I mean, I don't want a few more than Medayanga. Other thing, how to expel your own. I bet you don't want to February.
No, I mean.
I mean, you mean like that. Something that I used to do, so people go in like the portion. I mean, like public Bugash go. Now you have strike 1, strike 2, strike 3. Yeah. What my size, I was naughty, but this is what I was naughty, so it's fine. Got expelled.
Yeah, so I grade 11.
No, grade 12.
I was going to get 12.
I don't know why.
12. Standard 10.
Technical high, technical high, the next technical high, you never seen the Guman technical high. Plus, you can see one on the technical high. The next one, the standard. Not technical standard.
Then I go to a technical school and I grade 10.
Fine. Fuck. Me nah, man. It's fine. Standard. If you go to grade 8 because I never did what Africans. Like
and then
plan is nobody Pulukwan Tom Nodi is a technical high school. I never like the first school that you see in Otomajana Pulukwan Apala in Mako. So that's an African school and 1 point from MBU. Yeah, I got accepted. It was nice. I didn't last 2 months.
Why? What happened?
Bro,
2 months.
I think we change it and then go back. So I hustle, I sell whatever I'm selling, right? That's when I started changing my products. Now maybe it's whatever I'm selling that's not right. I change my products and I start selling. My son was kind of now I started selling cigarettes at school now. Because no, dude, people they smoke. In fact, it's much better and much simple to kill. You're gonna to kill a cooler box every day, but you're just gonna kill your cigarettes in a plastic block. But you know, with white kids smoke. White kids smoke, and no matter if they're 14, 16, 17, they're smoking and you have to what? So they mark what? Cigarettes. I started selling cigarettes. Got expelled. Plus, I was getting bullied. I was like, thank you, because I was getting bullied, bro. I was getting bullied.
Bullet's name, man.
One on that one as well. One a blood was done. But I was not smoking cigarettes at that time.
Yeah.
And it's fine. It ended there. Then after that, I went to college. I didn't leave Pulukwan. I went to Capricorn, FT, College of Unity. It was in Sechoko. I did my N1 in civil engineering and 2 and 3. Yeah. Because I'm cool like that. Eh?
Maybe we should ask how old you are.
How old do you think I am, firstly?
Now I'm probably thinking 37.
37? No, I'm still a youth. Let's stop
35.
it there. No, I'm still a youth.
So you're 35.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, the last number.
Last number. Oi.
Yeah. So ni Chikwena
Matala there. Then I started N1, N2, N3, but kind of that duration. That's when I started going into clothing. Clothing and events. I think now, I think on the interview, like events that it's about partner. I mean, I used to take part on those ones. But I used to be the one coming back with stuff from Pulukwan and bringing it here, like the latest fashion from Pulukwan and bringing it here, like new sounds, new music. I bring it back here. Niggas, we find.
Yeah.
So we're hanging out, and actually, I was in a crew called the Game Planners before Chadona. Now you need so. First I don't you need so in game. Then I was doing my N1, N2, N3, 4 there. And I paid some too. I paid joburg mara N6 young. No, like I said, my mom didn't want me to stay in the same place because she wanted me to learn or to diverse in different types of things. Ne?
Yeah.
There's one time by she paid no, not one go shengezwa Pulukwan.
Why?
Hey, no tambuzo that fella beg yo te. Hey man, I want tambuzo zo mimi nakona posa my face I'm got. Ne Kingsley.
Marathon ndio the red wait list yo.
Kama tu bangana ndi mungapani.
You can always use the advantage of him and Venda and the of the you do not are capable of.
Then tell me.
I don't know.
They'll wait to find out. And when they find out there's nothing happening, they're gonna
Pani door.
Pani door, but it's not always. So it's better not even lie, dog. Don't know doing what you come out. That nigga waits and waits. I don't know cut and apply the Zaosha not and those no letting and door. Oh, yeah, but 6 months is confident and doing a lot. Anyone didn't tell me.
You could read
Even idea. One holder hostage in Gosha not of Bango churches or going on. So no, man. I left, I went to Joburg. That's where I went to CJC. I went to CJC, I finished up my N5 and N6 there. Passed nicely. That's when I was now I was deep into clothing now. Now I ended up then in Zookwa.
Yeah.
You're talking about Venda Leshane. Yeah, I'm the change of Zookwa.
Okay. Now no man perera question 34
That's the thing.
So I remember to me anepoka Zookwa or it establishwa I mean zinala la kodovagailo nene because no ambas no reto make fizing and then now if Zookwa. So zovaga ezo.
Oh yeah, the brand was called Venda. Venda used to, the t-shirts I used to sell, they were nice. I'm from Deben Rocks.
Yeah.
Like wrong of a fuck, I'm from Venda.
Nanongwana zezo.
Like for real, and I didn't get it's so disrespectful and the chingasamba mona mo pesa. My own was vela makip. I want internet. Oh fi. I thought internet.
Yeah.
Now what just buy let's keep just 90 rand. Just buy. And plus that's a pronanga majita mango that benzo people fuck you sister. But I think papi mbanga to sister but I get then if you fuck you, then I came up with another one if you foot take another what ventilation. That's local one is so nice. And then after I don't know, but I went to some other party manini Polukwane before I left. Before N40, I just went party at Capricorn. Capricorn go Capricorn FM. Yeah, because of Tom, Capricorn FM.
Yeah.
Dude, I was showing us $1 now. I'm gonna Zwamba. Like they used to have like different types of clothes, the streetwears, and you see like niggas are coming with diversified shit. Like okay, cool, and okay, cool. Like what would this be any different from other brands? Because so Zombozi tete mi go like manini kwa domo blend. Kwa domo blend. Bana ku trip kwa joburg. Let's go joburg so how to go to class kwa joburg kana azizwa madzangano zwizi ngona madzangano nge ntuni. Abana ku strike. Ona strike cha makuwa ako strike limini na. Ako li hey. Osongo bana ntuma muna songo fa Zookwa muna. 5 cent go to mobile wakameka killing tele shipinga.
Oh yeah.
They were killing in the clans like killing it ne. I feel so na Zookwa so na Zookwa. Ana zibona bona ngolikipa phala thi. Ela sike becha zongoba 5 cent mala mngana. Thi? Cho ngofi although 5 cent it makes what a difference. Thi?
Yeah.
Chakono slogan chanka mikela ntu. Nanambutsi ai. Sharp. Abana Zofi, no better about tripping skill. You have to write something down. What did you learn there and what's you have to have a short presentation I will click. And then I'm going to cut a make presentation of vitamin. Zookwa, Chamijo, 5 cent, brown,
Yeah.
we have the whole story that I narrated the whole story, told them what's about. El Arista Pezapalella, I got I last today. Yeah, what's the name? Keep it. Basically. And tita go about 90 rand. Ela tembo zi 150 let's keep. Ela cho shuma one let's go for the presentation pala. Let's buy. Ela cho numbers jada dami. Numbers zenga za kila na dami. Tuona wakiwa manja Zookwa na hapo so.
Okay. And then Zookwa iko offer the service the product is nanga zipi.
For now we do not offer a lot of products now because now we're actually doing a lot of the hang tags as well ne. The stickers zamba zimpeteka zonga zo yesu so we giving we got as minutes if it's a minute I know that's what we focus on mostly for companies. I know the tag the hang tag as zamba ulabuli ngoma nepa yeah those are what we focus on mostly.
Okay. And then when Zookwa I get it and then Venda and then there's so many brands now clothing brands to be specific. What makes you different from those brands?
I am not a brand anymore. Zookwa I don't take it as a brand anymore. It's just culture that gave birth to a lot of these street brands. Okay, I never pass a because I remember most of them just started after and just using the blueprint that I use. Yeah, just that.
And then iko unwanga ini pezika na Zookwa.
No, I actually like owning my things alone.
Why is that?
Because it gets complicated because mulo wa chincha mungu na man's kutwa the same thing, yeah. Okay.
And then Dovana Zookwa iwe sponsora a soccer team. Also, I don't know if that's what I'm guy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so there's another soccer team out there maybe who needs sponsors. So how do they get that?
That most is simple. Every company can do that. It's mostly, when it comes to taxes. That's how you have to give back the thing. When you give back the less what you have to pay for it for taxes. Yeah.
Okay. And then the big reason to know talk for half a roto the rayona and it's a good thing. I hope but talk was born up that's Kota man. So you have should I call it a brand or just an enterprise as it is?
It's nicely as a brand.
Okay, so you have a brand named Kota 2. Ila brand there Nakissani yazviliwa for farmer jita also because we should be thinking of like all these girls and stuff. not just gents. Mara okay, Kota ndiye majita. So
I'm scared to go into another story because you'll say I'm a storyteller. I mean, I talk mean, I won't leave you. So this is a funny concept also, ne?
Yeah.
And truth goes, ne? Confess, my nigga Bugs knows about this thing of mine. It was so funny that we used to complain about eating quarters every day.
Yeah.
Every day. Imagine have to eat the same quarter every day and you eating it. And you're just tired. You're just tired. La quarter. Now this when I achieve on a quarter. I'll eat a quarter once in a while, right?
Yeah.
Maybe once in a month, but not because don't mention that they'll do it for like a trimester, like 3 months down. Due to where you are, what you have, via your finance, what's happening, what's the simplest thing to get, and then about one. Look what I mean, quarter is the cheapest thing. So Dane Tangayo and was like, nah, how can you change what this from
A normal Kota.
a normal quarter to something else?
You know, it's a variety.
So I wrote this thing to inflate it. It took me like to write the whole thing, how the company is going to start, how should I start, what am I going to do in 5 years time. I like when they don't watch it, I like to cheap watch the past 5 years, even though it's 5 years you're 30, but I'll have what the pointers were after 3 years later. So that's when I'm gonna start. Ne? So I wrote this thing then that one in the COVID where I actually started it because there was nothing to do.
Yeah.
And I came back this side and I had no job. I had nothing. The only thing I had was just a car. I had a car. Then okay, cool. But when I started this thing, I told Bugs about it. Bugs was like, cool, B. Plus, there at home at my place, Bugs stays by P, ne? You can just try study there by what? By my place there, ne? Cool. Natanga and I want to go a blind and get Bugs and go check. I mean, target marketing. I'm feeling research here or target research kind of means or market research. I mean, so after that, the bandu chose cards and your bags. Then those are the bags and they be me. I want something like this. Oh, that's cool because I was even thinking about something like this. I was like, okay, why don't we do it together? Because I'm at your place every day. So why don't you just start something here? And then she had to go do her own stuff. Now she had got a job. Then she had to leave.
Yeah.
Then that's when I registered the company. I mean, a solid company, and then that's where Kota 2 is.
Okay. Yeah. And then where is it located?
Okay, cool. So far now I have 4 branches. Ne?
Okay. Yeah.
I have one in Dobsonville in Soweto, ne? Which
so
is by 1673 Sibehe Street, opposite Ndigiliza, ne? Next to Riavaya there. And also I have one branch there by University of Venda, just outside the off camp formality. He sent an residence cafeteria there. Ne? It serves quarters from 15 until 30 for now. That's the one it's for students. And also what was the pickup that means that's orders are called in. Ne? Okay. And also I have one right here. We are at number 38 Riverside M East, opposite Pangami. And I also have another one there. It's Kota 2. It's a grill house in there opposite opposite Pangami. Opposite Pangami, in front of Pangami there by the gate, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And then ka menu means of the both. What do you have on the menu?
The fun part about our menus now, our menus are like if unique wow factor.
Yeah.
So menus are they are themed based, all of them, ne? Yeah. Menu was Kota wapano wothimo ngadzi artist wapano tendo oyiwa pa manini ti no la guy wapano tendo la ko to wapano manini wothimo ngadzi artist as event ti.
Yeah, that's
so una Kota no fi nefsa savate the Kota ine ya 20 rand net is a normal Kota ine kanji ndipalo ni
for the broke ones.
Yeah, not even for the broke ones. No, it's just a base. You can buy the nefsas, ne? Yeah. Then you base it up. It's extras and give us corner ninke.
Yeah.
It's like mamas. Then you thought with us mamas. You have what to trick now. Okay, the pickles. Yeah, it's not for the broke ones.
But then
No, me buying a streetwise bag and I'm not broke. Maybe I prefer that a normal Kota than what another thing. You thought a normal Kota.
Okay.
And then I have the root kit Venda in Aba Iful Vian. It's just like the nefsas plus what plus a full viana ti
yachidoshi
way mana I order pana ali yone ene ula veda nga December na migelo unifasa migelo
no mini ngai
eh
no mpa 25 rand
25 rand
no mpa 25 rand
because finances are kid no not that and not that finances are kid ti they're young they're young Zudoshi is Toko. No, Zudoshi like the fence. This Dosh is like these fans are called Zudoshi. This Dosh. Zudoshi mean they're young. Ne? And that's what normally they're willing to spend on what on a quarter because they still have to do. Now, because now I'm one age 50 rand. Now I go buy a quarter. Angazi that quarter foot and they just maybe like 25 rand. And the cool thing as I mean nature Simba I mean that's what I'm saying with that. Yeah.
Okay. And then Yagus bar.
Yeah, goes by man I'm guilt. I'm guilt. Once I'm guilt.
Tukacheka price it na okay because yama ngadaba imbizi isn't it?
Okay, yeah, goes by see ngwambo ya price. The ngwambo how big it is Kota ne. And honestly, it's because of how big the Kota is. It's still a normal Kota. It's still like what? It's still like a chidoshi. I mean, it's not full viana. You know I mean? Oh, you know, it's I mean enough machine. Na fish finger it's a fish finger the nugget because I wanted it to be like a whole thing with nine and actually if I cheat that I can offer after the flavors of my now dollars yeah some kind of do well but do well yeah so
and then that's the event is that
that's the event there from the original menu there's also chinchas over zona na original menu na chikwama.
Oh, I saw it here.
Yeah, and Chikwama na zungu zenza sauce, you know. Hapa zuna Migelo is like one of our best-selling quarters. You know, I mean, na Venda nga December, ne? They prefer them a lot. Venda December, you know, I mean, yotomo pambana, yotomo ba yantaka mikazo tengi. Dina wana mini na pate, na mini na full ration. It's just like a normal beggar. I know chaka zwinji. Banana number one is Snap Sunday.
Yeah, 60 rand.
Yeah, 60 rand.
And then double that price, you get the podcast and chill. You got 120 Kota.
Yeah, it's a normal fair price for a quarter. It's a normal fair price for a quarter. 120. I even think it should be 200 rand.
Why do you say so? Even though okay, in a Russian MB, bacon MB, like you know nikan in a like
so go check on bacon and bacon and happen and not bacon am gulanity.
Oh, Magurandi mean. Orgovia kai.
Didn't go with the into face of the Magurandi mini. Oh, they are bacon again. Yeah, Magula.
Oh, okay.
I want a bacon am Somalian, azone.
Oh, okay.
Ti? Bacon wana petu mashopuna mi I extra name mashopuna kumati. I wanna peti ya Mugula and food with them.
Yeah.
Azone?
Yeah.
Now that's Shane. I don't know if that's in kuma na bagay.
Mugula.
Zino.
Okay, that's fine. And then kai because one of the naked and then also naka slideshow ziko pira because they look good. Tasty yone. Are people saying ziko deeper kana
I cannot speak for someone else because I would lie. People buy and they come back. They make sure they come back. I don't know how they come back. That's one thing me and the staff also don't understand. Guys, how do these people come back?
You should know.
What?
If it's a diffusion,
you can't just do it from that. There's not a TV.
Oh, no,
Aye.
Oh, okay.
Aye, it's Oza. Man, I wanna. By so, so, Jonas, they are deep. I'm gonna because I'm the chilla doshi so. Church go deep.
Are father.
Yeah. Church go deep because I took no legs. I'm gonna say and go mango.
Yeah. Okay. Like I feel any other deal. I'm gonna snap Sunday. Kind of in December. It's a mazina.
Na pedzana.
Yeah, no landia lashem.
Okay.
And then when I Kota Kurane so like what's the fuss about the size of Kota and Madu because there's no point. Okay, actually before it's hapo, cut the fuss of it. Why do you still call it a Kota? It's Chaba Kota.
Oh, it's Chaba Kota.
Yeah, because I feel like ela concept your Kota. If I never it's like quarter of a loaf and then yakono ipangwa suzezo and then they still call it a Kota. Now you get a Kota, you're half. You gave me it, kind of full. Should
I give you my answer? I give everybody when I'm drunk.
It's
a simple one. I never called this loaf a quart. I called it the podcast and what? And chill.
Mara, it's under our quarters.
Our quarters. Yeah.
So this quarters.
This one is under our quarters, under 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 quarters. You see? So it's under our. You said it nicely.
No,
you said it nicely. You're the one who said it's under our quarters. Yeah, it's under all the quarters that I sell.
Okay, here's the thing. See, our visible ngapo.
Yeah, they must see it.
This thing is written our quarter here.
Our quarters.
And these are all the quarters. And una podcast and chill just below it. So yeah,
you're still saying it right. You see,
like
yeah. No, let me. Okay. And if I say about no can bonek and Nimbian, take our quarters. These are our quarters, ne? And the podcast and chill is what? It's under our what? Our quarters. So it is.
And you know, for you, and this get interview, and I'm sitting at this.
Manala no person the court.
Okay. And then the most expensive one, DPO, the podcast and chill.
Podcast and chill, but there's teen that not in the nearby one is not Dobson Vilenke. You know, when you're on food because it's not even what half a loaf anymore. It's what it's a full loaf. Yeah. Where you just have to ndovangapkati libelo tibe yangu mna strong. Yeah.
And then in yako no ile ikota ikuraneso.
Tine to kata.
Na ikata yako no bakota. Ingozibona.
Nsini ya bakota. Ngasi kota ya bakota because mostly team ngo share ni 2 kana ni 3 hapo tu. Ni kwa mean iwa 4 piece kana ya kwa mean 5 piece kana. Because yeah kono va ya to wa ngami ya to ngazulai wa mana ngazulai I mean that's nama I mean uma 5 or 6 slice.
And then is known kobona kazi sandwich hapo no this like those who are like radio inspired.
Yeah.
I see Univen FM Choice Bembe Capricorn na parapara go dura.
Yeah.
Why?
Actually,
I think we should speak about that. Our talk when badera. Okay, happen when you are watu wanende kwa faces but then these events Snip Sundays Choice FM baba when badera or ni tend to
about badera ma
exposure.
No, they also giving me exposure. How so ne? Straka za bad mtu all over pit awunya la Venda na December. Because mtu onyo la mean pala FM, anyo la mean Capricorn FM. Because I was all on Capricorn FM just because of what I have a essentially called what Capricorn FM. I was featured on the business talk just because I had this only just because okay I have a Capricorn FM one sandwich key.
Yeah.
Sandwich ne? Yeah. And when I jale pilon I mean mozzarella cheese. They were like cool. They called me. We had a long talk for like 6 minutes about the whole interview. Yeah.
Okay.
So soon now, when Pala must call me also, then you know I'm just gonna go there with this sandwich and then Bembe, ish.
Yeah. Blackout does raga.
I mean, blackout. You do feature that can drink a plate as live.
Oh.
Yeah, you do a full plate.
And the less than
every full plate. Every full plate. So true.
And then, how true is it that Kota, which is made in a clean area, is never nice as compared to?
No, a clean Kota is not. No, a clean Kota is never nice. A Kota looks clean.
Oh, not the area.
Never nice, not the area.
Okay, so when you get a petune, right, hygienically wise, right?
Yeah, I feel like it is. It passes all the standards because also I did my applications they made me pass, and when they made me pass, they still come back and check. So yeah.
Okay. And then the minis now.
That's a spiral potato.
Yeah, I also saw it this side.
It's a spiral potato.
Okay. And then uchiko abanga zikota so na price zone ziko dura zingo. Una maduwa ne abona special on specific or rene randa na Black Friday. So are there any days ne ranga in the week or there one una discount?
Yo every day. So choose one discount if you have WhatsApp ne ka WhatsApp ne kono jenga catalog okay cool una Monday special Tuesday special Wednesday special. Yeah, I do have the specials.
Okay. And then have you ever had any partnerships with any brand or whichever institution out there nuko partner through Kota too?
The only thing that I've done inspirational talks, not the funds are classy entrepreneur. I do that each and every trimester. Take an event like course business and then I want to for today. That's where so I like also just going into the learning stuff because I was also pushing also to be on exams like now 40. I was part of the exam guy how thing grade 3. Menu anga for such questions or what's mean I'll go on EMS and so yeah I'm hoping that next year I'll get it more can have a case study anga the page.
Okay, and then each kwamba ngori ni attention funza unive your technical I mean and then that do ngono userish ko no studying the N6 N1 what are you actually studying?
Civil engineering.
Oh. And then what happened from there?
I worked.
So civil engineer.
It's a civil engineer.
So rondoziva engineer.
Yeah, bro. Sana magena.
No, jamani beno kote solve. If me text rank in no ko.
Ibyo.
Hey atsine Escom.
Oh, ayiko.
Oh no assessor kare.
Ita wezi kuwa mgani ndi kutala ngwa kuna mimi nga chitu zino.
Mara kilamira ndi zotala.
Ha emna chitu ziko nami waziwezo kukwata ti. Unazo nami waziwezo kukwata. Ufala chidina chiso chasho langa mazi wacho kukwata majusi.
Luka. The explanation ya msiniso bayekana.
Ya bukuma. Ya ngo ya shanguni majusi. Ya ngo ya shanguni. Is that one ngoma nezo?
Oh, is this you? Okay. Nita nantu wafu.
Yeah, bro.
So KFC has been taking your ideas, eh?
No. I won't say they've been taking my ideas.
Why?
This is just a simple ideas from the USA. It was Zookwa USA blind.
Okay.
Because USA no kulwa na mana chikonzi mamon. Kama ngo eno say na mana chikonzi ni wana kulwa ziripsi na vani kana
Azizole.
dude vani. Like for do you know what vanilla mean? No mean. No ningola zungo pa na meko baba ti. Vanilla bale kudzimu mean. Olo baba mean. Oh, teni wana kanyi no na michelo kanje. Ayimbe ndikwambuza USA ulwa sandwich ti na wabo wana malace kana masimba ngaduba mamta. Ini hapa ngoseya. Kingsley. It's not like that. Emgana ngoba ma Wendy's nke oma USA mamuna. Ina zothuma duma wena.
Mbuze ishita.
Zothuma duma wena. Zothuma duma nga 1996. Yova in KFC jikeli ken. 1970.
Oh.
Ozfa.
Zothuma guy wings zone.
Ayi ngosibona.
Nah, it's okay, Arfit. And then I see you also have wings in
Oh yeah, I do have wings.
Yeah, and then on the what should I call it? An establishment.
Chisweshi.
Chodao. What do you actually have there? Because you did say it's a grill area.
Last year was a motor steak. It is that's what I'm pushing. I didn't go a steak last year. So I'm going to push a steak. I mean, now who's on the sides, na chicken pieces. Yeah, I'm also gonna get more things there. Just because I haven't dropped the menu. Okay, yeah, ninge.
Okay, and then I saw you were giving back into the community through this pest drive. Can you tell me about that?
Oh yeah, the pest drive is actually based in Gauteng now. We're trying to push pest drives in Gauteng, and I want to fish East Power, ne? So my little brother is the one who's heading it up that side, and because he's the one who's managing the Kota to that side, ne? So we have already collected over 130 pads, ne? So the goal of 500.
Yeah.
What I mean?
Yeah, you should get there.
So if it's possible, guys, just donate just 5 friends a packet of pads.
Okay. And then go donate. How do I?
You can just come through, drop them by the store, ne? I don't want money at all. Don't want money at all. Just come drop your pets by the store. Can I pay voucher guy? I want to buy something. The pets. Yeah. Okay.
No sure, man. They're also giving back and all that. Like when you touch this business, all they want to do is focus on profits.
Customers are treating about I'm going for month they're giving you back. It's no sense. We just have to batter back. It's either if you battering back with feelings or with something else, because you won't give them the money back.
And then how are you gonna identify people who need to use those pads now?
It's just
I always ask myself that question. Pets driving, I mean, or which you what who says what meaning?
Says mufumakazi, it's just as simple as if it's for my jita. Now, the simplest place is what it's at schools. You see at schools now the drop off area Zabana never. But now Latifa was in the station sanitary. So yeah, those are the most places that you have to do like school.
Okay, yeah, and then enough about the Kota 2. Let's get into your YouTube channel now, the SABC5 one.
I have so much things to say.
It's funny that I can finally match with me the face to the thing to the name, because I always knew it. Okay, when I SABC5, we get there for music, and I mean, the show, and then like your Rotoma guy lost.
I had that channel for how long? I should have been a YouTuber long. I should have been a straight YouTuber a long time ago without me being to the food and even being into construction in front of YouTube was nice back in the days, bro. Because now the apps were free to do. Now shooting a phone. And when I do on it, I had access to everybody. Like everybody. Like everybody in the industry now we think is big now. We used to have like access to those people.
Yeah, just like me now in the Venda. Even I ain't got access now.
Yeah.
Not Kota, the one.
No, you're talking about here, you. You're talking about here.
My man.
Mama, you're talking about here.
Can you Venda?
My man, I'm talking about the my man.
No, just in the way fight.
Hey.
Mara for
Yeah,
something
now,
like mine. Yeah.
now. You see, now there's an industry here at home, but that time there used to be no industry. Where?
Yeah.
At home.
Yeah, true. Yeah, and then okay, let me just ask you this question now. Ore, what inspired the name ACBC? Don't you feel like it's sort of like a concept ya mutu? Because now when I read ACBC, on the side of ACBC, I mean, maybe I mean something different. I'm just being forward.
Oh, man, let me ask you one question.
And then
Yeah, concept.
Yeah, ACBC.
And that's South African.
Not ACBC, Divu.
And that's South African.
Hmm?
And that's South African me.
Ere,
And I'm Mozambican me.
you are, Mare. Hell until something in it, probably, trademark you.
It's a broadcasting what? Channel, ne?
So?
I'm a blogger.
And then why did you skip 4? Then go to 5. Let's start there.
5. Zookwa, 5 cents.
Ah.
You thought it's just nah, man. You must check also the baby channel also.
Yeah.
5 plus.
Oh, okay. Mara yego diwa ore ningofonga yera so SABC and then you say you go viral. You get like 1 million or 10 million subscribers. And then SABC says, okay, there's someone actually called SABC 5. Do you think they will just let you be?
They will advise to either take down the channel or change the name. But so far, there's nothing they can do because it's not.
Okay, and then I was actually about to go there. Okay, no, we got 10 million now. They're gonna advise you to change the name because of that. And then now wait the SABC 5, and then she will change Adzina. They're like, okay, what was the point? Because Neri the SABC 5. So why not change it now? You can have a chance.
No, because I will have a nice chance of blending. Who lose? Hey, dude, I'll be stupid to change it now. Happy when that time now gets that time for them to change the name. That's when I'll pocket more from that. But the reblending will be so much better, my man. So much better.
That's if they don't choose to sue you first, though.
For using the SABC. No, they cannot.
Okay, and then let's talk about Fridays, man. What
There's SABC 4 now also.
Maybe I'll check it out. I wanted to say I'll check it out, but
do you
I'm not so
know
sure.
Skills by Spare?
Yeah.
Skills by Spare starting SABC 4.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I know the guy. And then Fridays, what I mean, Kaila show?
Fridays is one who likes the industry. I mean, I'm my DJ blind because it's very fascinating how these niggas compile, dog. The way they start, the way they do everything. So I wanted to get to know them better.
Yeah.
And getting to know them better, and people must know them better because my DJ aguma go diva guy. Apalanta pay exam alika kota so ngase divo all pesa go fine. Ina so divo no pipe of my shower, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Also the same.
Those ones funny page.
Pella, we used to make fun of him back then. My shower, hey, son name. You know?
Yeah.
So now, Ngoli, Ella Majitago Diva, who's gonna get to them, bro? Who's gonna get to them? There's no one else. Let's sit down. Let's talk. Okay. And the name itself, it's Friday. And what did you do on Friday?
Yeah.
Dance. And what did you just do? Make you what? Dance.
Yeah.
Fly. Dance.
Okay. And then, I saw Renia Postana's nyimbo about. Aren't you like afraid or ungabana sort of like the strike? First one. And then also, if first one for approval, they might wanna like tarnish your name afterwards. Or one go post and Zash and then, cause yeah. Because the come on nyimbo nongaranyu rock goosebumps. I think don't know for nyimbo nyiza goosebumps. Ka channel ya.
Channel ya ngati. Okay 5 because it's 5.
Yeah.
And it was
I want to contact wanga mtiwa bari.
Who did? There's someone who once did. I was like, no.
Not bisa limbo. No it's bisa.
Why?
Cause ndi limbo lwawe though.
Asimutofona asi no la mutofona. And amaskwazi ukuzba. Azimba ukuzba.
Oh, I thought maybe ndi muntu wa mune wa limbo for now.
Nah, asimuna uimbo. Umuntu phone owi bisa no uimbo, unless if me I came to you, and I stole that song from you, and that song was not released anywhere else,
yeah,
I have no way in not telling me. You can say, what are you doing, Nike? As well, not to go to do one kind of imp. Shut I didn't get it from you. I got it online.
Yeah.
And what's party? I got it online.
But then you get a chance to
no,
Romumut.
No, you don't.
Okay, that's if una copyright.
Yeah.
But then if it's not copyright,
so
then
copyright. And
yeah. Okay.
So there's some songs that in your time you can get a song about the Dumang and what on your channel, and you had no songs out in the what in the street, and then I get hold of your songs in the street and put them up, and then you start what being played each and every way.
Good. Ngazvidoshi. Ngatomutambo ngazvidoshi.
Yeah, ngazvidoshi.
Okay. And then so sometimes I mean what I say media, yeah, Venda, right? And then there's also people like me now. I think there's a guy called Mastanai, wasn't?
He's so good. Yeah, he's so fucking good.
Yeah, so
I'd like to meet him one day. He was by Univen,
I just know him from his podcast.
It's good.
Yeah, so would you say Venda ikadeba not say fina? Would you say riko rofara mrenje wonen santu sabatu baba Venda for media?
Fuck yeah, bro. At least this thing is what you keep on going, my boys. Hey, you keep on going because nanyamati. But I've seen a lot of channels just fading off, but with nice content.
No deep you ever down. Just give me 5.
I'm not going to give you 5, but
okay.
Ngatomanga channel ya mla channel ya chitantwela ya ndianyi you want to interview about that Univen. You used to work by Univen. What's his name? You were supposed to be working for Palapala now. He was going to kill that show more than what? More than this one who's doing it now. Who's this low class? I'm talking about people who know the shit and who are humble. But I want to show you a chick on it. I show you blind. And I bet you know what chick on and no them. If you know Timaya, interview about Tuvanji, mess the defense of work, or Joe later.
Oh, Mrado. Yeah.
You see that guy? You see how humble is? Yeah.
True.
That channel also just faded away. I don't know how it faded away, and it was so foul how it faded away. I hope it comes back, but I hope he's doing something much better than what.
Yeah, you never know.
And Habanebio, Poppy had nice content. I don't know why he stopped.
Poppy? Oh, Uncle Poppy.
I don't know why he stopped. He had beautiful, because the blowout show was what? Beautiful. I don't know why it stopped.
Yeah, I've been watching that also, yeah.
Another show that stopped, that should not have stopped, it's Sunday Live Express.
Okay, I don't know that one.
Check it out. And the show which have not stopped.
Yeah.
Because all of them mostly started lockdown.
Oh, so yeah, lockdown doesn't make a sense because lockdown your pair. So it had to end with the lockdown.
But now most of them.
Nah, you never know.
Yeah,
and then
that's one
let's go
thing
back to SABC 5 now. Do you feel like it's a necessity? Also, don't know one channel ya master. Or there's that thing you're season 1, season 2. Like, how do you even decide or season 1 year better guy? I mean, why don't people just go on like with episodes? I feel like it's fine like that. Do you think that the season as well make a sense according to you? Because 19 as we eat, that's how it would make sense.
Make a sense and go stop no for that in or no for that because now in dinner again to your for that they're gonna for that no thing I begin to in the other season 1 that aim and I upload. Going back after 2 months for that no yeah was in 2.
Yeah.
And what for that happened we're looking mapkati I'm looking mapkati do work on the mapkati I distribute for those weeks.
Yeah.
Well, yet else is episode 1, 2, 3. First, whatever we can see consistency. Consistent. Whatever we can. Finance knows that I make gym. Even you got to do 350. Love when I mean 351. And what's what I mean?
Do whatever we can.
Do what I mean. This guy can you cut I mean?
I feel like they are fine like that. But okay, it's just my view.
Yeah, if I like that, you should tell me.
No, after the season. Mwangoka season 100 as in.
Catch it all. Come on, my next episode doesn't it? Now in the email that the episodes in me
now how could that season? When season in tea, Africa Samo Sukera.
Though the other Kingsley Junior Mudau Lingo do one of the babe Bamtanga Young one on the show.
Now it makes sense.
Yeah, was in mini? True. After how many episodes?
Probably 433.
Please mark that. Here's the target now. You see now. Here's the target and this is in what?
433.
You see?
Yeah, so hey, round numbers we blind.
Blind, man.
Yeah, so fun to talk to, man. Nah? Like, in a vibe.
Yeah, I feel like I must have my own show. So we firing Kingsley. Next week the show is gonna be with me, ne? The next episode, ne?
Yeah, but I don't know if I like in the cat and goes with. Yeah, so yes, man. How can people like contact you for the Kota? Any service that you offer?
Okay, cool. Actually is the person to get hold of. You just go Google now. Zookwa. It's just the same thing. My number phone is gonna come out. Kota 2, but I prefer you guys to use 066-183-8252, which is Kota 2. Ne? It's simple in a number phone in a catalog. You're 30. Sorry.
You feel the dog.
therefore 0661
mara hauna nidio dobo na ndichubu waposiwa fita as radio ya mara bado pia bado udorwa mega.
Okay guys, please get us at Kota 208
066.
Please get hold of us for Kota's at 066-183-8252. Kota 2 ne 066-183-8252. Kota 2 ne. And me, get me at what? At Nakissani on Twitter, at Nakissani on Instagram, on Facebook I'm at Venda Nakimabogo, and get me at SABC5, right, on YouTube, SABC5 on Spotify, SABC5 on Deezer, on iHeartRadio. I'm also on Apple Podcast, ne? Yeah, give me there.
Okay, and then, yeah, Renan word divas,
we forgot to talk about my Spotify podcast, but it's fine.
Next time, the
next time I'm going to be what? I'm going to be catering for the whole show. You see what's happening with this show, ne? Next time, what I mean? Now food for the show. Even makeup artists.
That's the Black Couch meal.
You see.
So I'm going to follow our on Instagrams there.blackcouch if you're Tangana, and then Facebook is the Black Couch. What else do we have? That's all we have. Okay, follow me on follow me on Instagram, Kingsley _Mudau, and Twitter hote. Petune arnazi into the account of the Black Couch. You can always use my personal account. So cheers, Rene Roya Kota Turkola Kota Zin, Rudi Vizeliwa, and I'm gonna rate Kota Apoka comment section ya inenda the viewer. Let me not do much. So yeah, cheers guys. Rene Rovaya. Ya deba Kota ya Zookwa.